Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Pathfinder Excavating. My name's Joe. In today's video, this is going to be episode 3 of Firewood logging on 6 acres. We're starting to build some inventory. Got some logs going here. And let me start this excavator real quick. Got some logs going here. Got a stack of logs starting to pile up back there where we were clearing from the last video. And started to make some more progress. Got a little path cut so I can get to more of the trees. I actually cut the one maple that was leaning over and it flipped back up. I knew that was going to happen. Luckily I was cautious and no one got hurt. And no equipment got destroyed. Alright, I'm going to grab my helmet. I'm not going to be doing any cutting with the chainsaw. So I'm just going to be moving with the excavator today. Short introduction, let's get to work. Well, that's the process. Getting a good load of logs. I'm going to finish getting the rest of those ash and cherry down the hill there. You saw me track up with the side view. I put those logs off to the side because this is a straight run to the log landing here. So I'm going to finish that up. If you like these videos, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. If you aren't subscribed, please do so. We'll see you on the next video. There's my Native American touch to my helmet. They call me One Who Finds Paths, aka Pathfinder. Thanks for watching that video.